Welcome to the PCBWorks installation guide. There are 4 files that you need to complete this install: PCBWorks installer, the ECAD/MCAD projects collaboration server installer and its license file, and PCBWorks SolidWorks collaboration add-in installer. Let's get started. We first want to install PCBWorks, so double-click on the PCBWorks installer and follow the guided wizard. Read through the license agreement and then accept to continue. Enter your user account name and password, then select what design functionality you want to be installed and click Next. Choose your install destination folder and click Next. Once the program has finished installing, do not run PCBWorks yet, as we need to first install the collaboration server and the SolidWorks add-in. Click Finish. Let's now install the ECAD/MCAD project collaboration server by double-clicking the installer and following the wizard instructions. Read and accept the terms and click Next to select the install destination folder. Click Next. You can leave the port in the default setting and click Next. For the database configuration, if you select the Firebird database, there are no additional steps. However, if you elect Oracle, you would need to configure the server address, the username, password, and the database name. For this install, we're using the Firebird database, so click Next and then click Install. After the setup has finished installing the collaboration server, click Finish to complete the setup wizard. Now let's drop the ALF license file obtained at the time of purchasing PCBWorks into the root installation folder for the ECAD/MCAD project collaboration server. Now let's launch the SolidWorks collaboration add-in installation, which would normally be done on a separate machine, typically on a mechanical engineer PC. Click Next to set your install destination folder. Click Next and then click Install. Click Finish to initialize your collaboration server or Altium Vault in readiness for collaboration. Use the Vault address field to specify the address of your collaboration server or Altium Vault. Enter the name of the computer or its IP address. For our case, we have installed the collaboration server on the same machine, so we'll use the local host for the Vault address. Leave the Create EMCAD User and Create ECAD User checked to create users in the server or Vault with the names EMCAD, ECAD, and password 123. You can leave the Add Sample PCB project checked to create a repository for the server or Vault called Examples, where 2 example design projects will be added. Click OK to finish the install process. Now let's configure the ECAD/MCAD project collaboration server by first running SolidWorks. Open SolidWorks and click on the PCBWorks tab and click on New Board Assembly. This will prompt you to connect to the ECAD/MCAD project collaboration server. Enter the username and password that was created part of the PCBWorks SolidWorks collaboration installer and click OK. Now you can see your server or Vault repository. Now that we have established connection with the collaboration server, you can just click Cancel. Now run PCBWorks and similarly enter your ECAD collaboration server, username and password we created part of the PCBWorks SolidWorks collaboration installer and click Login. Congratulations! You have finished installing PCBWorks and successfully configured the ECAD/MCAD collaboration server, and you are ready to design and collaborate with PCBWorks.